This adapter lets you connect devices that use a 3.5mm audio plug to your Lightning devices. Works with all devices that have a Lightning connector and support iOS 10 or later, including iPod Touch, iPad, and iPhone. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. Apple loves dongles. Why not add another? It works well, my only complaint is that I need it. I travel with a MacBook, iPhone, iPad, and iWatch. They're all current, yet I need 3 different cables to charge them. Only one of them, the MacBook, has enough ports to charge and use a headset at the same time. It's mind-numbing, but the good people in the EU are helping Apple change that next year. Works great. Lightning port to 3.5mm Apple adapter works well with the iPhone 8. This is my second adapter. The first one is still working good after 3 years. I just wanted one for my Bose AE2 headphones and the other for my amplified sound system. The material seems kind of flimsy, need to use with care though. I suggest by reading other reviews on this product. When in use, if 1 Lieutenant or RT is not working or cracking sounds, clean the connections with rubbing alcohol and soft cloth. This has worked for me.